The PageWide A4 printers have a C-shaped paper path. The page is picked up from either tray 1, 2, or additional trays, passes through the print zone area where ink is placed on the paper, and goes through the left door all the way to the eject output area. When we send a duplex job, the paper will stop before reaching the eject output area and will be reversed through the ink collection unit duplexer and will be refed through the print zone area. The paper then goes through the left door all the way to the eject output area. Paper jams can occur through media such as light paper, heavy paper, labels, and other media. Media size tray alignment, sensor failures, misplaced mirror labels, tray 3, or contamination or dust inside the print mechanism on the encoder disk, sensors, or internal components. If your HP PageWide printer stops printing and the printer control panel displays a 15.xx paper jam error, follow these steps to fix the jam and clear the message. Remove any paper or debris from the printer's paper path, including additional trays. Open the left door and remove any paper in the paper path. Remove the ink collection unit and lower the platen. If additional trays are present, open the trays and left doors to find jammed paper. When closing the doors, the printer will try to flush the remaining paper. The dead zone is the inaccessible area between the turn and feed shafts. A piece of paper smaller than this area can cause a print zone jam. If the jam persists, but there is no visible paper on the paper path, follow these recommendations. If a 15.b error occurs, run the Advanced Jam Recovery utility. On the control panel, go to Administration, Troubleshooting, Advanced Jam Recovery, and follow the instructions. If any other persistent paper jam code appears with no visible paper, perform the encoder cleaning procedure. Power off the printer. Remove the back cover and formatter cover. Blow compressed air on the following areas: eject motor encoder and sensor, aerosol fan motor area, print bar lift motor encoder and sensor, feed motor area, blow behind the PCA, tray 2 pickup mechanism area, blow air behind the PCA, tray 2 pickup sensor area. If the printer jams when picking paper from any tray, check the roller health. If the pickup roller is worn, then replacement of the pickup roller and separation pad assembly is needed. The pickup roller and separation kit includes a separation wall, a replacement tool, and a pickup roller. To replace the pickup roller, remove tray 2. Remove the screw that secures the separation bar. Dislodge the separator bar and remove it. Insert the replacement tool into the open slot on the pickup roller and depress the tool to release the roller. Remove the pickup roller. Install the new pickup roller. Match the rectangular and round guides of the new separator wall and install it. Install the screw that secures the separation bar. Replace tray 2.